It is very spacious for you to cook. This room is as big as a family room in a hotel. A pleasant afternoon to my dear pips. Welcome to Living in DUMAGUETE. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in DUMAGUETE, no other than Alma Almonte Folco. For today's vlog, my dear pips, I am so excited to show you a nice home which is located here in Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines. This property has a lot area of 1,213 square meter with a floor area of 254 square meter. Also, it is fully fenced and gated and clean title, and it is also along the barangay road. It is very quiet and cool because you are in the top of the hill of Valencia. This property has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and semi-furnished. The house is modern design and an open concept. So what are you waiting for, my pips? Tada! So my dear pips, before we get into the main house, I would like to introduce to you first the place where you can park your car. Basically, as you can see, it is very open area here. I like the breeze. It is lovely. Oh, my dear pips, that is actually where the covered parking area that can park 2 cars and motorbike. If you have kids or yourself like to do some cardio exercise, I'm saying that this place is good for you. You can do basketball. Let me try it. Let me do it. Let me try it for a while. I get to play, you know? Let me do it. Did you see that? Excellent! What I love here in Valencia is the plants are really blooming, you know. It makes the property glamorous. It makes the surrounding prettier. It's green. Look at that. And look at this moringa. I love it. And of course, my dear pips, in the side here, you would see where is the pit, or we called it our storage tank. So we have 4 storage tank here. We have mango trees that also gonna be growing and make an add beauty on this property. The side of the property here has a stairs, but then we're gonna show that later. So let's go to see the main house. Ta-da! So now, my dear pips, let's go check the main house. So let's see how beautiful and amazing is the design of this house. So welcome to my home. So as you can see, when you enter, it is already like you're a queen because of this nice door. Ta-da! Wow! So welcome to this beautiful living area. So when you enter to this property, you are very welcome to sit down in this nice couch. And of course, while you are in this couch, you can watch TV if you will be buying this property. We have a 3 horsepower air condition that is cooling this area here. You can close this wonderful door and enjoy your morning. Or if you have guest meetings, you can do it here. And of course, my dear pips, if you don't want it to stay here and you are still working and you wanted to have a nice space for your office, this first room here is your office, which is the owner have already a ready study office or table and chairs for you to enjoy. And of course, we have here an internet ready on this property that can be transferred into your name right away when you purchase this home. You have air conditioned, which is making this room cool, and you have cabinets to file all your stuff. So if you don't want this room to be your office, you can also make this area as your bedroom for your guests, friends, or even for your family if they would like to visit. If you got guests from abroad or family, friends, family coming from away from this from Valencia, this room is good for them. As you can see, we have a queen size bed in here with a nice side table, air conditioned. Of course, we have also screen door that protects your visitors from being eaten by mosquitoes. This is the 3rd bedroom, but it is closed as of the time. But this room is basically similar size of the 2nd bedroom that I showed to you. Or you might have family, friends, or guests that would be visiting you, and you yourself, you would like to enjoy your meal with your family. So this 6-seater dining wood table will make your conversation and your dinner more attractive and enjoyable. And to all my dear peeps there that love cooking, love their kitchen, it is very spacious for you to cook, so you don't need to bombard or distract your wife or your husband while cooking, or even your helper. As you can see, the kitchen, it's very nice. I really love the layout. Look at that. And we have nice cabinets here. We even have aircon in the kitchen area. You have 3 chairs there. You can have your breakfast with coffee, and you have cabinets here so you can enjoy your breakfast in here while your wife or helper is cooking undisturbed. And of course, my dear peeps, sometimes your problem is water here in Valencia. Don't you worry about it, which is the owner have make sure that this house has non-stop water, and also the pressure is perfect. You see that? 1, 2, 3, volume it up. Water is ready. So while you're cooking, the water won't make you be a problem. I would like to show you the common bathroom of this property, which is a 3-bedroom. Is sharing. So this is the common bathroom. It also has hot and cold shower for you. Isn't it nice? And now the most important room of this house is none other than this very big master's bedroom. This room is as big as a family room in a hotel. Very spacious. You have a queen size bed. Out over here, my dear, you have air conditioned ready. They have nice cabinets, which is you can place your beautiful, expensive clothing. And if you don't wanted to sleep, you just wanted to stay in this master's bedroom, you can have your coffee, juice, your beer while you are talking to your wife or your girlfriend while you're staying in this master's bedroom. And of course, this master's bedroom has ensuite bath. It is also high ceiling, very clean, well maintained. As you can see, it's in your eyes. It is wide enough for a couple to use. We have also a outdoor kitchen, maid's quarter, and maid's bathroom or common bathroom, as we may say. But it is still indoor because it's covered. And if you don't wanted your helper cook for themselves in your nice wide kitchen inside the main house, this area here is good for them. So this area here is the outdoor kitchen. You can cook all your smelly fish or anything that you would like to cook which you don't wanted to cook it inside. Now, my dear peeps, also it has a maid's bedroom here, which is they can use, and it has a single bedroom. It has a cabinet, nice lighting, and it's very comfy for a helper. I could stay here. This is the maid's bathroom or common bathroom for the outdoor kitchen area. Now look at that bathroom. It has hot and cold shower. It's very presentable, clean, and I like it. And this area as well, we have a washing machine, and this is where you can wash your clothes. So this is the LG washer that you can wash, your helper can wash, and then you can just open this one and directly goes out here. We have also water tank, water pressure tank. So this is where it is. No water problem because we have water tank here, and then we have all the system, and then we have even 2 water filter. That is very important when you are having some water here in Valencia. And that's all for today, my dear peeps. Thank you so much for watching Living in DUMAGUETE. If you wanted to have a private tour on this property here in Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines, please don't forget to contact me, and I'm very happy to show you this property anytime if you are available. So what are you waiting for, my dear peeps? Please contact me now, and I'm going to bring you here and show you this property privately. And I am very happy if you're going to share this video. Please share and subscribe. Living in DUMAGUETE. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.